Thank you. It's really my very proud privilege to be present here. When I started off, I really didn't expect to see what I saw today. As you know, as a country, we have set 4 national goals for education. That is access, equity, quality, and relevance. As a country as a whole, we are struggling for all the 4. Access, we have around 20 crore children, and out of that 29 crore children, only 24 crore children are in the school. And around 5 crore children are still out of school. That is national targets. But this school gave me a real good picture from the admission policy, from the quality of teaching learning, and the kind of courses they are teaching. I think it has presented a very good role model of access, equity, where girl enrollment is more than the boys, and relevance, the way the courses are being taught and the skill is being harnessed, and for which even as a country we are struggling and have already set up National Skill Development Council. But the way this school is projecting all the national goals and meeting those goals, I think it has really set a role model. And if it is written about it, lot of educational planners and administrators can learn from this. I'm so happy to see the kind of job is being done here. As a policy planner and administrator, we are always faced with a problem, though you have designed some regulations or you have prescribed some policies, but what about implementation? There are problems with respect to implementation of any act, law or rule. At many a times we say it is civil society which can really help. And here again the role of civil society which has come, and the way this school has been built and the way this school is operating with the help of civil society, it is marvelous. I really salute the cooperation of civil society in running and achieving the national goals. I am very happy with the kind of education is being imparted here. The selflessness among the managing committee or trustees, and the devotion and committed which is personified in the teachers. The learning, motivation, self-esteem which is grounded in the students. It's really a treat to the eyes to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.